Hello. This is a little extras clip that I have. After our little night paddle, we came back to camp and had a little walk around, and this is what we captured.
Smallmouth. See, you want to see the smallmouth, Devin?
Yeah.
There's a couple of them here.
Oh. See, there's another one right there too.
Yeah.
See him?
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, two of them. Nice.
One
Oh
there.
yeah. Other one just bolted somewhere.
Yep.
We could fucking net all of those and fucking eat good tonight. Yep. And some curry. Ooh. Some paprika too.
That's what I was saying. I was thinking the ramen noodles too.
Oh. Yep. Yeah, but that's not that shallow.
Over here?
Is it? Can I like jump in there? Oh yeah, good.
Yeah.
Ooh, what is that? What is that? What is that?
A leech.
That thing is huge, yo.
It's massive. Here, wait.
What a big leech.
Dude, you saw that. That could climb up your butthole. Did you? Dude, I went in this water.
What?
I went in this water.
We all did.
I went in it.
I did too. I fucking
Douched your dude.
yeah, dude. I did my stuff, you know.
Oh, look at this guy. Look at.
I think my batteries are dying. I think that's my problem with this because it was left on.
You see something? I saw a guy. Ooh, look at this.
Yeah. What is that right there? See that? Like
Eggs.
my brain? Oh.
Fish eggs are,
Ooh, look at that crawdad.
yeah. Look, what's that striper thing right there? Oh. This little fucking...
Where's the eggs?
Right there. Zoom in on those.
Devin.
Oh.
See those?
Yeah.
A bunch of eggs.
Yeah.
Look
I'll
at that
zoom in
thing,
on
Devin.
that. Here, excuse me.
You see him?
Oh, dude, just fucking chilling.
Is it a walleye?
Oh no, it's so striped like that, dude. I don't remember.
Guys,
Fucking up his hunt.
guys, look at that guy. On the edge right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's another one.
Oh
over
my
there.
gosh.
That's pretty cool. Dude, I can't wait to get over by that other rock.
I know, I'm curious now.
The one where. Ooh. Yeah. He's just fucking hanging.
I know.
sideways, though. Like, what's up?
He's hunting, they're hunting it.
Oh yeah.
He's going for the minute, there's a min-mins. Neat. Isn't that just fucking neat?
Oh, what's that?
A potato.
I'm with Andy Greenway.
Oh shit.
What? What?
New.
What? What?
Yeah. Because this is straight drop off right there. Like 5 feet at least. Super bomb to burn too. Very good canoe. Start doing fire up real quick.
Hey. No, I use that for time lapse.
Okay. The thing you said something because it was gonna go.
Yep. I know, that's why I said it. I was like,
Yo, imagine.
It's
That's
wet.
probably eagle shit, dude.
dude.
Just a big dookie.
Bro, you're so not wrong.
Yeah,
We saw that one swooping
Just
over.
watch out for the wetness,
Oh,
just in case.
get down with the wetness.
You go down this one.
Yeah.
Go down this one.
Yeah, yeah. I go over to that. Yeah.
I'm kind of scared over that.
Yeah,
right, though.
dude,
I
it's
feel like
fucking
gonna-
sketchy, bro. Dude, we gotta rely on this thank you tree. It's roots.
Look at this tree. It's just growing in the middle of a rock.
I know. How fucking baller.
Also, hey, look at right here. Watch out, walking across that.
Yeah.
This itself is
It's just the root.
yeah,
It's just the
This
root.
is just all dirt.
Yeah.
And
Look at that.
erosion basically that built up there, so I could cave at any time.
Mm-hmm.
If you,
You
ooh,
know, I
got one.
Kind of step over it every time.
Yeah.
I fucking step on it.
I'll step directly on the root because it definitely travels
Oh,
over.
right away. He disappeared.
Ooh, what is that one though?
Yeah.
Big ones? Okay.
That one too.
Oh, he doesn't like that. Oh, there's two in there.
He reacts to the light. Oh, dude, you're probably blinding the shit out of it.
What the fucking get blinded?
How deep does it go? We can
I
see.
know how far back
Okay,
it goes.
this is a shelf. There could easily be fish fucking lurking in here. During the day, maybe we could just set a fucking bobber.
We'll chill it there
Yep.
all night. We should even do it at night.
Yeah, I was gonna say even right now. I wasn't sure if this fucking rock right here actually hit the bottom or not, and we know it doesn't now.
Well, I noticed it. Just right.
Look at that.
I was asking Andy, I was like, it'd be cool to come bring it. Snorkel? Yeah. Oh, it's just livery.
Working them legs.
Oh, I think he's
Oh!
It followed you
Oh.
here.
It's still here! What do we got there?
I'm not sure.
something.
Oh, it definitely is sunny.
2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them.
5. Oh, larch.
Oh, yep.
Where?
A larch and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tried catching a fucking. Catching one with it.
Ooh, a bunch of them over here.
Ooh, another big larch. Oh, this
Holy-
one's spotted.
That one's huge. It's green looking too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like orange spots.
Orange
Yeah.
spots on there.
Check it.
Fucking legendary.
Zoom in on that one.
I did.
Look at that.
What in the world?
Should let him suck on me?
I want to see the
No.
bottom of him.
Come on.
The
Flip him
bottom of
over.
him looks like he's orange.
Flip him
my
over,
God.
dude. Tack it.
Oh, I thought that
I
one.
thought he was going for it.
Me too.
You got a stick? Oh, the bottom of him is orange.
Is it?
Yeah, it looked like it.
Dude, flip him over. Oh, he was gonna get that fucking. Dude, send his to
I
fucking
wonder why he
discover.
is.
Nice. No one's like, no.
Well, he's in his element right now.
wait, yeah, he's
Check it
coming
out,
towards
get
you.
longer
He's
strip.
like hunting us. He senses our
Smells
body.
the blood.
Yeah.
Oh, see, he is. He's like pink on the bottom.
Shit, I want to see. I missed him. Shit, keep my finger. And then we'll see if he.
What if he's a
Sense
poisonous
it.
leech, bro? You turn into Leech Man.
Yeah, leech.
So I got my fucking fingernail down. Try getting him with the stick. I want to see. No, don't kill him though. Oh, he totally he is.
Oh, he totally is. Oh, he fucking shrunk.
Oh my gosh. I can't get him.
I know, he's fucking baller, dude. He knows what fucking... Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Did you see it? Spotted.
I'm gonna look up leeches
Yeah.
sometime.
Yeah. We got great video documentation of it.
Really freaking.
Oh, there's another big one. And that's exactly what I did. I found its name, North American Medical Leech. Here's where it lives most of its life. We got a description here. Green dots, yep. Orange belly, yep. I'll let you read the rest. No way.
Same color?
I don't know. It's pretty far away. It's pretty far away.
Proves how many fucking leeches are around you at all times and you don't even know it.
Yeah, well, here.
I think they're only on at night though.
Oh, there's
More
another
so.
shelf over there.
Yeah.
Do you want to try? You gotta go through a tree.
Show me before?
Yeah. So I'm gonna put my stuff back real quick. Or
Okay.
just at least somewhere I'm not gonna catch it. That's fucking cool.
Yeah, I suppose I don't need my water bottle anymore.
That's not easy.
Stop for some fucking goodies.
It's like.
Oh. What way? Yeah, go down there. Is that where?
No, I jumped there and I went doing like that. Kind of like trail, but it must have been beaten. I don't want to whip you like Andy does to me. Might see some frogs down here.
I don't know. That looked like poop.
Where?
Right there.
That is poop. Yeah, that looks like a high protein poop. What else would it be? Mud?
Could be poop.
I don't know. This isn't as eventful.
Oh, it will be.
Why? Oh. You're funny. I don't want to get too wet though. Yeah, my feet are. Well, that's all she wrote, folks. Thanks for watching. Get out in the woods and enjoy.